Join me as I dive into the latest stock market trends and try to make sense of what's happening right now. The stock market is a vital part of our economy, affecting everyday investors and the broader financial landscape. It's where companies raise capital, and individuals can invest in their future. Understanding its movements can seem daunting, but it's crucial for making informed decisions. Inflation is a major concern right now, with rising prices affecting consumer spending and business operations. The latest data shows inflation rates are higher than expected, causing a stir in the market. Interest rates are also a hot topic, as the Federal Reserve tries to balance growth with controlling inflation. Geopolitical tensions are another challenge, with global events impacting market stability. Trade relations between major economies are being closely watched, as any shift can influence market sentiment. The ongoing adjustments in the market are leading to increased volatility. This makes it essential for investors to stay updated on market trends. Recently, we've seen significant movements in tech stocks, with some major players experiencing substantial gains, while others have faced sharp declines. The sector's performance is often a bellwether for the overall market, and right now, it's a mixed bag. The energy sector is also seeing a lot of action, driven by changes in global demand and supply chain adjustments. Small-cap stocks have been attracting attention, with some investors looking for growth opportunities outside of the usual large-cap players. The performance of these sectors indicates a market in transition, trying to find its footing amidst various challenges. Looking ahead, experts are predicting a potential shift in market leadership, with emerging sectors poised to take center stage. The data suggests a cautious optimism, with certain industries expected to outperform others in the coming months. The consensus is that diversification is key, given the uncertainties in the market. Investors are advised to keep a close eye on economic indicators and adjust their portfolios accordingly. Some analysts are forecasting a positive correction in the near future, based on historical trends and current market conditions. To recap, the stock market is navigating through inflation concerns, interest rate adjustments, and geopolitical tensions. The recent trends show a mixed performance across different sectors, with tech and energy being focal points. The market's direction will likely be influenced by how these factors play out in the coming weeks. If you have any thoughts on the current market situation or predictions for the future, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my previous videos for more insights and analysis on the stock market.